He's finding a hot Pier 88. We're in California. We're literally, we in California, Palm Springs with it. We got the crawfish. That's what he like. Mini lobsters, we call them. He got the half a pound of crab, potato, shrimp, all that. You know. Same here. And then we sharing a pound of mini lobsters. We call it crawfish, mini lobster. Hey, I hope he did gloves. I'm not gonna do gloves. If I can open it, hold on. Clearly, y'all see I was having a problem with it. Help me open it. Hold on. We got crab, shrimp, no head. I don't like no head. Eggs, sausage, potato, corn. You know. This Palm Springs Pier 88. We already have Pier 8 in Colorado. We know it originates out here. How you feel about it, man? Because I'm drunk. I'm gonna say anything good. That's what I'm saying. So I had to ask him, y'all. If he's saying it's good for real, it's good. You want lemon or no? You know, that was sausage. Look at this potato. Alright. Mini lobster. Hold on, y'all. There you go. Oh my god. We're gonna go to Los Angeles in California. Let me give y'all shrimp. Ah. Trying to get this crawfish for y'all. Next video is gonna be heavy eating. Hold on, y'all. I can't get it. I love y'all. Watch the next video. My birthday.